Hi everyone! So today's gonna be a quick video. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I didn't discover this, but one of my viewers mentioned this to me and I was like, hey, people, well, like I didn't know about this, but like people need to know about this. Okay, I'm extremely excited. I hope you've seen this page before. So I swatched out some Schmincke colors. If you haven't seen this, you could go check it out in the link above or description box below. I'll try to remember to put those links there. But we're going to be talking about this particular color today. Cobalt Violet. Oh no, don't look at that. Cobalt. Here we go. Okay, this Cobalt Violet PV62 by Schmincke. It's not cobalt violet, it's a cobalt violet hue, okay? I'm trying to find words to explain it. It's a blue violet that granulates. It's not very high tinting like quinacridone colors. Excuse me, I'm sick today. Yeah, so it's not high tinting like quinacridone colors. I want to say it's roundabout, not really low tinting either, between low and medium tinting, okay? So the thing I wanted to mention today is, check this out. Oops. Okay, here we go. Check this out. This is Lucas's Cobalt Violet. I didn't know this before, but like, okay, here's the Schmincke swatch, okay? So PV62 isn't a cobalt violet pigment. It's not a cobalt pigment. It's a synthetic something. But yeah, they named it cobalt violet hue because it does behave like a cobalt in that it's a violet color and it granulates. Okay, so here's the Lukas Cobalt Violet. It's also a soft blue violet and granulates as well. And my viewer pointed out that there's no pigment information on this. Yes, the Lukas website says, Jackson's website says it's PV14, but hang on to that, okay? Lucas's website, they don't say anything about it. It just says here, this is the Lukas watercolor color chart, okay? We come here to Cobalt Violet. There's no pigment number like all the other colors, right? But it says strontium phosphate. My viewer said that strontium phosphate is actually PV62, just like Schmincke. And now I was like, really? And I happened to have Schmincke's as well. So I was like looking at these two. Okay, zoom out a bit. What I want to say between the two, if you want PV62, for those of you who are like pigment hoarders like me, maybe, they're both the same hue, okay? Like, I don't know if it's showing very well on camera, but they are exactly the same hue, especially if you look at it like this washed down part, and here, okay? It's exactly the same thing. The difference between the two is that obviously Schmincke is expensive. I'm not gonna talk about the price. The difference is that Schmincke you could get a really a darker mass tone, whereas Lucas's, it's a light color. I'm assuming it's because Lukas in general is a bit more, it's less pigmented than most brands, I would say. Both of them granulate very well. The hue is the same. The only difference is that Schmincke, you could get a darker value here in mass tone, whereas the Lucas's you can't. I'm sure you could layer it though. I don't have the dot card of this anymore, so I'm sorry that I can't demonstrate that for you. But yeah, you guys, if you want PV62, look into Lukas, right? Go buy it. Well, I can't force you to do anything, but I really love this. Like, as you can see, this is Van Gogh Lavender, right? And then this is Ultramarine, White Nights Ultramarine Violet. It's slightly different, but it's always been the color that I've been looking for a lavender. There you go. Anyone as excited as I am? Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope this was helpful and useful and you're excited as I am, hopefully. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Sorry guys, I was kind of stupid just now. I should have done this where you could see the mass tone. Compare the mass tone. Yeah, okay. I shouldn't have made it this orientation. I don't know what I was thinking. So there you go, for those of you who want to see it that way. Different lighting. Okay. Oh, and I'm gonna go have some lunch now. Kimbap and kimchi.